After receiving a buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and trend exhaustion low, all three of these combined to be some of the most bullish signals you can get in crypto, and we saw this on Bitcoin play out as we nearly retest structure resistance on this falling wedge pattern. In this video, I'm going to talk to you more about this pump itself. It's really important. There's a couple of reasons for it. Talk to you about how much you could have made with this signal alone, and from there, talk about where I think Bitcoin's heading next. Before we jump into the video, I did want to mention we have another 4% trade win on Solana. This trade was taken on June 13th and won over this weekend, and this makes our 2023 record 29 wins and 0 losses. If you want to check out our trades, go ahead and click this link. I also want to give a special thanks to our new members here. Thanks so much for everyone here for joining us. We really look forward to trading with you. If you do want to grab a membership to trade with us, you could snag it at the membership link in the description down below. With that, let's dive into the charts. Thanks for joining me on the Trade Confident website. Today, we're going to head down to the Bitcoin metrics, and the first metric we're looking at is the Bitcoin emotional index. After this price jump, we did see the metric rise into neutral territory here. This was a really sharp rise, to be honest. Now, most often before the price reverses, we'll see a little bit of a continued price rise and a push into excited territory. Most often when we see excited or greedy, that's when we're expecting price moves back down. But until then, I'm still a little bit bullish. Next up is the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We're still seeing a little bit of low volatility here, definitely a lot lower than it was recently. And that is because we're seeing a little bit of distribution at the top of this move up. I think we could see sideways movement for a little bit. I do anticipate a little bit more of a move up in the short term, and I'll show you that on the live charts exactly why, but this will contribute to lower volatility. And once we see the metric actually drop below low volatility, this is where we start to see some more impulsive moves. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. Next up, we got to take a look at the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. And as of right now, there's more short trade sentiment among whales than long trades. And this is very typical after moves up. However, it's not until we see a metric value of around negative 800 that we're really looking for those moves down. So until we see that right about this length, I'm a little bit bullish. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. We do have structure support at $25,800, but currently the main structure support is right here, closer to the $24,262 level. We're actively testing structure resistance at $26,965, and if we break above that, we could see as high as $28,473. From there, I want to take a look at the Bitcoin long versus short trades. As always, long trades are still vastly higher than short trades, and this means that in the long term we are bullish. We're still seeing higher lows, higher highs, and all that. And with that, we can expect some moves up to continue. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. And I want to point out that anybody that took this buy signal, a trade at that buy signal, actually made a lot of profit, over 4% over this weekend. We see multiple instances of this as well. Even just trading this indicator alone, I'll show you the live charts that it's actually an indicator. Whether it's the strong buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, or buy signal, all of these made really good profits. With that, we'll also be looking for a sell signal. As the price continues rising, I'll be looking for a sell signal in anticipation of the next move down. And with that, if you want to get access to this winning metric along with all the others to keep you informed on your Bitcoin trades, if you want to get access to those 29 trade wins that we have and counting, future forecast videos, members only content there, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. From there, you're just going to click subscribe up here, fill out the prompts, and then I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month, as this is going to get you metrics across all 20 coins on our website, not just Bitcoin, morning brew overview, future forecast, scalping trade calls, and many more membership benefits. Just go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at the Bitcoin live charts. I'm trading with Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. As I said at the beginning of the video, we got low on price versus while money flow, low on trend exhaustion, and a buy signal. And most often, as we've seen repeatedly throughout the history of Bitcoin, this is where we're going to be seeing pretty big moves up. This is exactly what we got. So congratulations to anyone that took this buy signal. From the top of this candle, because that's candle close, to the top of the current candle we're looking at, this is a 4.12% profit just over the weekend. Typically here at Trade Confident, all of our members know that we're typically taking 4% profits, usually just using sell limits. So once we enter a trade, we set a sell limit at 4% above the current price, and this would have won over the weekend. Congrats to anybody that took this trade. That is awesome. And you'll notice here there's a pattern: price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, buy signal, huge profit right here with the sell signal. Price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, buy signal, move up here. Price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, strong buy signal, crazy moves up repeatedly over and over and over again. This indicator is crushing it. I can confidently tell you all four of these right here all hit 4% profit. This buy signal right here is the only one that is not considered to be profitable. But even if you were just trading with the price versus while money flow, we could see here price versus while money flow was low, trend exhaustion was low. This was just a highly volatile move. So anyone that took trades on this candle, congratulations on that. But even with that, the previous three signals and the signal after that were all profitable. This makes an easy 16% profit if you invested the same amount into each coin. Absolutely crazy. Congratulations to anyone that took those trades. And from there, let's talk about what I'm expecting in Bitcoin. From this buy signal, we saw a move up. Personally, I'm expecting to retest this structure resistance again on this falling wedge pattern. At least a move up to there where we've gotten sell signals repeatedly too. Typically, falling wedge patterns are bullish. Most often, they will break out to the upside. So even if it's not this touch and we move back down, I do expect a bounce and a break to the upside soon. For now, I'm only looking at this structure resistance, likely around this horizontal structure resistance as well. Tons and tons of touches there at $27,253. From there, we'll likely see price versus while money flow high. And if we see trend exhaustion high, especially with the sell signal, this is where I'll be anticipating the next move down because all three of these tend to be extremely bearish signals. If whale money rises and we see a high on that, it means whales are most likely overbought and are likely to begin taking profits, then selling out of the market. This, of course, is going to drag the market down. With that, if the trend exhaustion is high, it means this uptrend is likely over. And from there, we can expect a downtrend. And of course, if we see a sell signal, this by itself is just a signal for a move down too. So if all three of those combine, that's where we're looking for the next move down. Now, if you want to be able to keep track of this for yourself, it's going to be crucial. You can get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, not just these three, for $400 off right now. All you got to do is click the indicator link in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our store page. Click I want this, fill out your information here, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Click add to cart. This is your full $400 off with all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Go ahead and click pay, load those indicators up on your chart, and from there, I'm just looking for price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and a sell signal in anticipation of the next move down in this falling wedge pattern. We'll keep you updated with that. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.